Hello guys, in this video I'll guide you on how to change the control center of your Redmi 14C. So if your Redmi 14C has this old Xiaomi control center, in this video I will guide you on how to change to the newer HyperOS control center on your Redmi 14C. And we're going to be achieving this with a third-party application. So go over to the Google Play Store of your Redmi 14C, and then once the Google Play Store opens up, at the bottom you want to come inside of this search input field, come at the top and then search for the Mi Control Center application, and then proceed to make sure you download and install this application into your Redmi 14C. Once it is downloaded and installed, we can now proceed to open it up directly from here and then set up the application to work on our Redmi 14C. So first things first, once it loads up, you want to make sure you toggle it on by pressing on this power button over here. So just go ahead and tap on that, and then you want to proceed to give it all of these permissions. So first of all, select on the dual SIM option over here, and then you want to click on the allow button at the bottom. Then proceed to click on the Bluetooth option as well. Click on allow at the bottom. Click on the accessibility and more services option. Tap on it and then click on accept over here. Now this is going to open up the settings of your Redmi 14C. You just want to click on downloaded applications, then click on the Mi Control Center over here. Select on the use Mi Control Center option and you're good to go. Allow the countdown to finish, and once it is done, you want to click on the check button over here, then click on the OK. Now you want to go back to the Mi Control Center application, and then from here we can now proceed to toggle on the right permission as well. Click on the allow modifying system settings, then you can go back to the Mi Control Center application again. Proceed to select on the other permissions and pop up in background. Select that and then click on other permissions over here. Go ahead and toggle on all of these permissions. So click on the home screen shortcut, then click on the always allow option. Go back to the previous option, then on the show on lock screen as well, select on the always allow. Then come out of this, and then the last option over here you also want to select on the always allow. Then you can go back to the Mi Control Center application on your Redmi 14C. Now finally, you want to make sure you toggle on the notifications option over here. Locate the Mi Control Center application and then make sure you give it the allow notification access permission as well. You want to allow the countdown to finish, and once it is done, click on this check button over here, then click on OK, and now we are almost done. Now finally, on your Redmi 14C, you just want to click on this OK button over here. Click on OK, and this is basically how it is going to look like on your Redmi 14C. And obviously, as you can see, everything on this navigation actually works pretty well without any problem. So you can click on any page of the screen now, and if you see this pop up, just go ahead and click on the cancel button. We have already given it all of the permission that is required. And now on your Redmi 14C, if you swipe down from the left hand side, you can see that we now have the new control center on the Redmi 14C, and actually everything over here works absolutely well without any problem. You can go ahead and customize anything you want as well. You can go ahead and turn on your flashlight, and as you can see it works. I can go ahead and toggle it off as well. You can as well turn off Bluetooth and turn on anything directly from here without any problem. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.